The clock is ticking and we're almost run out of time. So let me briefly guide you through the way how we implemented the zero downtime deployment with Azure Functions. So first, for our production, we were using the front door as a public entry point. Behind that front door, we created two different Azure traffic managers and we called them blue and green. And behind each of those, we created basically a bunch of Azure functions deployed all across the different data centers. So first key takeaway here, so you can chain your front doors and your traffic managers, and that's totally fine. That worked like a charm for us. Second, if you're using the classical approach of hosting your resources where you have like VMs, web apps, or whatever, if you have two environments that runs in parallel, you will need to pay for both. In this case, when you're using the Azure functions, you don't. And the reason for that is, again, you pay only for the actual consumption. So you can easily create a copy of your environment which consists of 10, 20, 30 different servers, and you can deploy to those 30 different servers in parallel, and still you will pay nothing until you will actually switch the traffic from blue to green or back. Another important thing here is, again, because we're talking about the geo-distributed setup where, as I was saying, you may have like 30 different servers deployed all across the globe. It's really important for you basically to be able to ensure that if you want to roll out a new version, then before you will actually switch the traffic, you need to make sure that all the deployments to all those 30, or how many do you have them in your setup, for all those 30 servers was actually successful. That's really important. If at least one of those failed, you may need to have a manual intervention. You may need to go there, basically check why it was failing, I don't know, do some stuff, or maybe retry the whole deployment again. So with Azure Functions, that's super easy because, again, you may have all those environments up and running. They may be a bit slow, but still they are active and you will not be charged twice. So I know that my time is over, so if you have any more further questions, feel free to drop me an email. I can speak 3 languages. I can speak Ukrainian, English, and Russian as well, so feel free to use any of those. Drop me an email if you have any questions about this session or Azure in general, or you just want to discuss something about technology. And again, thanks for attending my session and hope to see you soon. Bye.